What's going on, everybody? Bones here with Cajun RNEWBBQ. Hope you're doing fine. I'm making it. So today we're at Summit, Mississippi for Smoking on the Tracks barbecue competition and car show. We're gonna go ahead and see the sights, see some of the teams that are going ahead and doing what they do, try some of their food, and see the sights. Stick around, we're gonna get right to it.
Okay, my name is Frederick McGee with Grilling with McGee. I've been cooking over 3 years. I'm from Tylertown, Mississippi. Good to be in Summit.
All right.
Where you from?
I'm originally from New Orleans, but I live in MEAT.
Okay. MEAT, Louisiana?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Down the way, son.
So, you have a store to do, or you just do this for?
It's just a hobby, man. We've been cooking a lot, and just cooking and enjoying it, and enjoying seeing the people.
A nice setup.
You plan on doing this as a business, or
Yeah,
you?
we're business. We do catering. We do it all.
You do it all?
Yep. Yep. So we do catering.
You plan on making it as a store one day, or?
Man, look, Lord, lead me that way. That way it'll go.
There you go. So what you serving today?
We're selling baked beans, smoked chicken. Yesterday we had pork chop. We had smoked pork chop yesterday, and green beans. Today we got smoked pork, smoked chicken, baked beans, and macaroni and cheese.
There you go.
For $12.
There you go.
I appreciate you.
All right, man. So, what size pit do you run?
That's a 60. That's a reverse. That's a reverse smoker. It is a reverse smoker. Then you put the food on and reverse the smoke back through for all the food to be at the same temperature all the way through.
All right. Well, how big are they?
It's a 60-gallon tank.
60 gallons.
60 gallon.
Okay.
There's a
And
heat box in the back.
okay.
I'll get a tour. Come on. What's up, Fred? This the fire box.
Yes, sir.
This is a warmer, or I can cook in it, or whatever
Okay.
I like to do right here.
Yes, sir.
All right. This is
This is
where
the
I
main
heck
cooking
on.
chamber.
It's the main smoking chamber
Yes, sir.
right here. I got something for you. And I can cook just barbecue or whatever I want to do on this side. So this different from the chamber, so nobody won't. I could be sitting here cooking some hamburgers right here while that one there is still going.
Gotcha. Yes, sir. All right.
No problem.
Thank you.
Thank you, my brother.
What team y'all are?
Smoking Good Time.
How long y'all been a team?
12 years?
12 years? Y'all do any catering or anything like that? Or?
I do. We've actually cooked out here. This is our 9th year, 10th year. We've won it 6 times.
6 times.
Yes, sir.
Y'all plan on making it a business or just do this for fun? Okay.
Yes, sir.
What y'all serving today?
We got a little bit of everything. Pulled pork sandwiches, barbecued spaghetti, smoked boudin stuffed chicken breast, and I just put some ribs out.
Just put some ribs out. Yes, indeed.
Sir.
All right. There we go. Oh, yeah.
Let me get a picture of that. Open them lids up, guys. Open them up one at a time. There you go. Last one, baby.
Get that one.
How we all?
Very nice, guys. Very nice. Well, good luck today. tell me about y'all's team name.
So we're
Tell me about y'all.
Moonside Barbecue. We've been doing this for 10 years, I think. And me and Jake both work here in Summit, and they started the festival, and we said, you know what, we ought to participate, and so that's how we came up with the name. I don't remember how that came about. May have been sipping on some moonshine or something, who knows. But we do it every year. We do brisket, butts, ribs, and chicken. We usually try to place. So
Y'all ever won?
we've taken first in several categories.
Okay.
We'll normally place every year in something we have never won grand overall. So, but we'll get out here on Friday afternoon and we'll light the grill and we'll start cooking for 12, 15 hours until it's done.
What size is your pit?
It's a Bubba Grill out of Georgia. It's
500.
Yeah, 500. It's 500. It's a reverse flow cooker.
Gotcha.
You're gonna make me start lying here in a minute.
Okay.
I do know we can put about.
And it's customized a little bit from their normal 500. He had the back burners added. I think he went with a double axle instead of a single axle. We bought this actually from a friend of ours. We're the second-hand owners of this. So.
That ain't nothing wrong with that.
Do y'all try the other ones, or y'all just do the one in Summit?
We've done some other ones, but this is normally
your
what
main
we stick
one.
To, yeah.
Okay.
We started to get into it. We found out it's a lot of work.
A lot of work, a lot of money.
Yeah, a lot of work, and a lot of money. So.
Yeah. Okay. All right. Well, thank y'all.
Yes, sir.
Thank you.
All right. Well, as you saw, we just seen a lot of places. Talked to a bunch of teams. Talked to about maybe a third of the teams that they had there today. I'm tired. One day post procedure on my back, so didn't stay the whole day. Didn't see the ending awards. We'll do it more next year. See the end next year. But thank you for watching today. Peace out.